What's up? It's Rashawn, the Mindset Architect, helping you design the mindset to dominate in life and business. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever walked through a spider web or a cobweb? So seriously, like, it happened to me a couple days ago. I'm walking out of my house and bop, right in my face, right, walked through a spider web. And you guess what? I kind of got it situated, and it happened the next day. And so for 2 more days in addition to that, I walked through a spider web. And I got tired of walking through a spider web or taking a spider web down. I said, instead of me doing this, how about I just kill the spider? How about I just kill the thing that's creating the web? Because I'm gonna have to do this every single day if I don't take care of the problem. Don't miss what I'm saying to you. How many spider webs and cobwebs are you walking through in your life? Like, you're putting things off. Instead of you attacking the real problem, you're procrastinating. You're not getting to the next level. It's time for you to kill the spider instead of removing the web. Like, what things in your life do you absolutely need to kill? Is it procrastination? Is it making excuses? Is it not being the best version of yourself? What is it that you need to do to get to that next level? Or you can keep removing the web. You can keep taking your time and walking through webs and cleaning it up. Or you can just say, look, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kill the spider. And so that's what I want you to do this week. Identify the spider that you need to kill right now. Don't wait. Do not delay, because your life depends on it. Somebody else's life depends on it. So don't walk through the web. Kill the spider. This is Rashawn. We'll talk soon.